welcome to Integrate 2025. It's been a fantastic show so far. So we obviously got Chris come along with Alka Media just to talk about some conceptual bits and pieces. So for us here, we've got a kind of typical MTR room set up, but for us, we're going down the lines of, or I should say, we've had this mantra for a while, working well with others, and we've kind of tried to represent that in this room here today. So being Sennheiser, we don't have an MTR system per se. So what we've done is we're leveraging our partners. So we leverage our partner here, MaxHub. So we have the compute module here, and we have utilising their touch panel. For our element, we're feeding our bar obviously into that compute via the USB-C. But we thought we'd try and push the boundaries a little bit and see what's possible. And by using some of our partnerships. So we take the lumens here, so we could basically using the lumens as an external camera controller. So we come out of the USB-C on the lumens, Cam Connect Pro. Because everything's sat on the network, we have just a PTZ camera up there, just out of shot. And then we could take those sources and then we combine it, and then we basically spit it out of here on a USB-C into the USB-A on the bar. What that does is that opens up on the MTR now as like an external camera. I don't know, if you've got a boardroom or a small room where you've got a lectern, for example, out of shot of the bar, then it gives you, as a user, an alternate camera shot that you need to do. So how do we do that? Let's give it a live demo. What can go wrong? So if we let's just start a meeting, just give me a second while it does its thing. Let me just bring someone in so we kind of get rid of the join meeting scenario. Let's use myself here. Okay, request to join. Okay, cool. So this is obviously the bar camera here, so you can see me just do a little wave there. So if I now just do the down arrow, straight away I get the Lumens Cam Connect as a kind of long shot. That's exactly what we're doing now, right? So we can also take this a little bit further in that I've got a ceiling mic here around TCCM. With the Dante capability that we have on the bar, I can now take the Dante out of the ceiling mic as an extension and put it straight into the bar. Because it's now sat on the network and I have the Lumens Cam Connect system here, I can now get the coordinates out of our mic. What does that mean? Is that now I can feed the mic coordinates of the speaker and I can bring in the camera tracking capability off of the Lumens system. The beauty about the Lumens system is it's quite simple, but I can put multiple cameras into it. So now you can really expand the capabilities of the bar. So that's pretty much it. It's just a little bit of an idea to show people what's possible by leveraging our partnerships. And the last little bit we have is the Lightware partnership we have. This is their dock version. So all we're using that guy for is pretty much where you can do a screen share off the laptop. It also, we've hooked network into it, so when someone comes in, uses one USB-C cable to plug in, we can do the screen share off that laptop into the MaxHub. I can also pull all the internet connectivity in via the network capability here, and I can put power onto the USB-C, which seems to be quite elusive, the thing these days. So by leveraging our partner network, putting the bar in, using all the systems that we have available, we can really get quite an expansive system.